students, welcome back to the class. You know what time it is?
It's night time, ma'am.
Yes. In today's class, we will be learning our new topic, metric measures. Okay? So, metric measure of length, mass, capacity. Topic wise topic, we will be learning all. So, let us start with the metric measure of length. So, for that, first of all, everybody take out a scale from your pencil box. As I am having this plastic scale, you can see, and this is a steel scale. Everybody take out quickly. Now after this, just you have to observe this scale. Here some numbers are written: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So at certain distance, equal distance, there are some number written from 0 to 15. These numbers are centimeters. These numbers are centimeters. And there are small black lines in between each 2 centimeters. There are some small black lines. These are millimeters. Let us count how many these black lines are there in between. So starting from 1, when you start counting, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth line is little bit big. The fifth line is little bit big. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At 10, another number will come. So just in brief, all the numbers written here down 0 to 15, they are telling us centimeters, and the lines which are dark small lines which are in between each 2 number are millimeters, right? And below that, if we turn it upside down, then you are having some numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are inches. This is also a unit of measurement, inches. Those who are having big scale, right? This is a 15 centimeter scale. You might be having a big scale that is of 30 centimeters. Just count on that, all those students who are having that big scale. Apart from that, now see, I am having a measuring tape. All the tailors or the your moms also are using this measuring tape at home to measure any of the cloth or doing some stitching or cutting work. So starting from 0, 1, carry on, and let's see, here it is 20, and then let us go further. Here it is 30 centimeter. Go further, it becomes 40 centimeter. Let us go further, it becomes 50 centimeter, and so on. Let us keep on going, and here finally I am reaching 90 centimeter, and then this is 100 centimeter. So I am just putting my finger here. This distance from 0 to 100, this exact distance is known as 1 meter. Okay, this is 1 meter. You can check your study table. It may be of 1 meter of length. Okay, you can check your window pane, your door, house door, your room door. 100 centimeter when we count 0 to 100. Here it is written 100. So I am keeping my finger here. It is 1 meter. So 1 meter is the basic unit of length. Let us start with this our class. Basic unit of length is 1 meter. Now some units are bigger than 1 meter. Some units are smaller than 1 meter. Let us talk about the units which are bigger than 1 meter. After 1 meter, we are having 1 decameter. This is decameter. After decameter, we are having 1 hectometer. After hectometer, we are having 1 kilometer. Kilometer is the biggest unit of measurement when we talk about the length, and meter is the basic unit, standard unit. 1 decameter, when we talk about the distance, how much bigger is decameter from the meter, these two, 1 meter and 1 decameter is greater than 1 meter, 10 times greater. Decameter is 10 times greater than 1 meter. Here hectometer, when we talk, hectometer is 100 times greater than 1 meter. If we talk about kilometer, kilometer is 1000 times greater than the basic unit 1 meter. So these are the greater unit, larger unit than 1 meter. Now there are some units smaller than 1 meter also. Let us go to that. After that we are having decimeter. One decimeter is smaller than 1 meter. How much? It is 1 upon 10. 1/10 th. 10 parts if we do of 1 meter, then 10th part is called 1 decimeter, 1 upon 10. After decimeter we are having centimeter. 1 meter equals to 1 upon 100 times of centimeter. This is the comparison with centimeter. After centimeter we are having 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is 1 upon 100,000 time. 1 upon 1000 time of 1 meter. So this is the comparison directly with the 1 meter. Now if we talk in between these two, 1 decameter is 10 times of 1 meter. If we talk in between hectometer and decameter, further just next to each other, consecutive, decameter and hectometer, it is hectometer is 10 times of decameter. Now kilometer and hectometer, kilometer is 10 times of hectometer. All are 10 times to one after the other, one after the other. Decameter 10 times more than meter, hectometer 10 times more than decameter, kilometer 10 times more than the hectometer. This is the comparison when we do it to each other in a continuous manner. Same ways here decimeter. This is the comparison. First comparison is with directly with meter. Now with each other. Decimeter is, yes, 1 upon 10 of 1 meter. Now centimeter is further 1 upon 10 of decimeter. Millimeter is further 1 upon 10 of centimeter. So there are two ways of comparison. First, when we talk about the basic unit of length is meter, comparison of meter directly we are doing, or we are doing the comparison of each unit by each other consecutive. So this is what we are having the measurement in length. So continuing further, now let us see the metric measure of mass. The way we are having basic unit of length meter, same way the basic unit of mass is gram. Now here also there are some units bigger than, larger than gram and some units smaller than gram. Let us talk about the bigger one. Here bigger one was decameter, same ways here it is decagram. Decagram is 10 times of gram. Comparison with gram. Now after decagram we are having hectogram. Hectogram is further 100 times of gram. This is comparison directly with gram. Now after hectometer we are having kilo. So next is kilogram. Kilogram is 1000 times of gram. So these three are larger unit than gram, and gram is the basic unit of mass. Now let us talk about the smaller units of gram. The way here it was decimeter, same ways here we have decigram. Decigram is 10th part, that means 1 upon 10 of gram. After that centigram. Centigram is 1 upon 100 of gram. Comparison with gram only. Now after centi, we are having milligram. Now you can think of, with respect to gram, how much is milligram? Milligram is 1 upon 1000 of gram. Comparison with gram. Okay. Now if we talk about just directly in between two, consecutive two, gram and decagram, 10 times greater, decagram is 10 times greater. Decagram and hectogram, hectogram is 10 times greater than decagram. Kilogram is further 10 times greater than the hectogram. So individually they are 10 times greater. Decagram 10 times greater than gram. Hectogram 10 times greater than decagram. Kilogram 10 times greater than hectogram. Individually, in between two, there is a gap of 10 times. And now here also, gram and decigram, yes, it is 1 upon 10 times. Decigram and centigram, centigram is further 1 upon 10 of decigram. Milligram is further 1 upon 10 of centigram. Cg is the short form of centigram. So these are the 7 units of mass, where gram is the basic unit of mass. Here meter is the basic unit. Of length. Okay. Continuing further. Now let us see the metric measure of capacity. Here metric measure of length I have rewritten to have a proper comparison of all the three metric measures. So let us start with the metric measure of capacity. The basic unit of metric measure of capacity is liter. So yes, here it is the basic unit liter. Again, 3 units are larger than liter and 3 units are smaller than liter. Decameter, decagram, so here decaliter. Hectometer, hectogram, so here it will be hectoliter. Next, kilometer, kilogram. So tell me now, what will be here? Kiloliter. Okay, now let us compare. Decaliter is 10 times of liter. Hectoliter is 100 times of liter. Kiloliter is 1000 times of liter. This is the comparison with directly with liter only. Now next, below it the smaller units, decimeter, decigram. So here it will be deciliter. Below that, centimeter, centigram. So in liter it will come centiliter. After that, millimeter, milligram. Here it will be milliliter. Now let us compare with liter. Deciliter is 10 times smaller than liters. Now centiliter is 100 times smaller than liter. Now milliliter is 1000 times smaller than liter. Okay. Now let us do the comparison of individual. Liter, decaliter. Let me take another pen. Liter and decaliter. These are, decaliter is 10 times of liter. Hectoliter is 10 times of decaliter. Kiloliter is 10 times of hectoliter. 10 times each is bigger. Coming down, deciliter is 1 upon 10 of liter. Centiliter is 1 upon 10 of deciliter. Just immediate one. Milliliter is 1 upon 10 of centiliter, CL. Okay, so I hope here the concept of metric measure of length, capacity and mass is clear to you. Based on the concept which you have studied now, metric measure of length, mass and capacity, let us revise with the help of some of the questions. The basic unit of mass is gram. The basic unit of capacity is liter. The basic unit of length is meter. The unit, which unit is 10 times the basic unit of mass? Gram. Then above that 10 times decagram. Next question. Which unit is 100 times the basic unit of length? Basic unit of length meter. 100 times means above, larger unit it is asking. Immediate above decameter. Above than that hectometer. Next question. Which unit is 1 upon 1000 of basic unit of capacity? 1 upon 1000 of capacity. Basic unit liter and 1000 times small is milliliter. Next question. Which unit is 1 upon 10 of basic unit of mass? Basic unit of mass is gram. 1 upon 10 smaller, that means decigram. So, I hope you have understood the concept of metric measure of length, mass and capacity. Thank you. Keep practicing. If you have understood the concept, please ensure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Maths Time by Alka ma'am.